Welcome to Firga, Prokon installation. Before you proceed, please make sure you have the following: a valid student number, a password, and a cell phone number. Make your way to Google Chrome or any web browser and enter the following address. Click on the Prokon folder. Now select the following to download the file. Once downloaded, make your way to the Downloads location and click on the Setup file. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Next. Make sure the following is selected and click Next. Click Next again. Once installation complete, make your way to License Manager. If your student account has not been assigned for Prokon license, the below will be blank and you will not be able to log in or authenticate. If you have been assigned, click on Sign In. Enter your Prokon email and password that you created and click Authenticate. After the Prokon license has been assigned to your student number, the license will display as below. You are now ready to begin. Still need help? If at any stage during these instructions you receive errors, such as permission denied, browser to the following address and log a service request.